What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Roy's Customs. Today I got my my hood latch in the mail, and well, this is kind of how it came. I don't think this is an issue that was like Amazon or anything. I think it was more of a UPS thing, but it's a little package, so obviously sometimes the little packages get abused. But it is a hood latch, and hopefully it's going to be alright. So, anyways, we're going to go ahead and install this. I'm going to have to take this grill off first. I just got this zip tied on here, so it comes off pretty easy. 1, 2, 3. Oops. This is a pretty simple job, because I'm pretty sure it's just held on by these 3 bolts. Okay, the other one didn't have a switch on it, so I'm gonna have to try to get this one off of here. It's just sort of clipped on, so should come off pretty easy. There, say it's just sort of clipped on. Well, the clip just fell on the floor. Anyways, it's just sort of clipped on. Put it back on to the new one in the same orientation. There's little holes that it actually sits in. And then you take your clip. Oops, wrong way. The clip goes like that. Grab a few zip ties here. Go ahead and put another zip tie back in there. Cut off the end. Okay, now we can put this back through here. Go ahead and put this down in here. Hopefully this fixes the problem. Then tighten it back down. Okay, then hook your cable back up. This actually came with the little pin and the clip. Yes. All right. Clip back where it belongs. Hold that in place. Goodie. Alright. So, pretty quick, pretty easy. Pop the grill off. Take your 3 bolts out. Take the old one out. Put the new one in, and it should work just fine. So, and it did. So, I'm pretty happy. Oh, don't forget to cut off the pigtail. Okay, so anyways, guys and gals, as you can see, the hood latch works. So that's a good thing. I'm okay. I'm happy with that. So anyways, case closed. That's going to be it for this little video. I sure appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to like and subscribe and hit the notifications if you wish. And have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out. As you can see, the old hood latch is a little wobbly. And this piece right here is bent. You can see this is bent. So this thing is kind of jacked up. So obviously it wasn't going to work no more. So anyways, I do got the new one on.